Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve highlights on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve highlights on Facebook app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Facebook and you can click. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your phone and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.